Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. If you have any questions today after the call, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys, on that 626-309-9141. You have a choice. You can follow my recipe for success or my recipe for failure. Recipe for success, recipe for failure. My recipe for failure is not part of my freight sales system that gets the best results, okay? My recipe for success, again, this is basically it. This is my freight sales system that gets results, my recipe for success. Recipe for failure is not included in that, but if you desire to follow this, that's your choice. However, expect failure somewhere in the near future. So, my freight sales system that gets results, that's it in a nutshell, my recipe for success. Do you have any questions about today's call, or more specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys, on that 626-309-9141. Thank you for joining me today on my Tuesday conference call. Again, I'll take care. God bless. I'll see you all again next week, same time. Take care, God bless, and goodbye.